dear students. Hope you are all well and studying attentively at home. We are now in EVS class, and in this class we are going to spend to discuss some of the safety rules and the importance of the safety rules. Before that, look at the board. I have drawn some of the pictures here. Do you know the name of this? First one is, what is this? This is a needle. This is a needle. Next one is, this is a pair of scissors. Next one is blade. This is a matchstick, and this is an immersion heater. This is used to warm water or to make water hot. So these things are safe for you without the supervision of your seniors or who are adults at home. No, these are not so much safe if you use this by yourself, because you may face danger or you get hurt by using this. Suppose if you use needle or scissors without knowing how to use this, or without the supervisions of the seniors one or the parents, you may get hurt. Blade also, by this way you can cut your fingers or hand, you can get hurt also. If you use matchstick without knowing how to use this one, then only the firework, do not try to light this firework on your own. It can be very much dangerous. This is the most dangerous thing. It can make very much chaos. Okay, and this is immersion heater, which is run by electricity. This is also very much dangerous for you if you don't know how to use this. So always be safe from this one. This chapter we are going to learn that why the safety rules is needed for children and how to follow different kinds of safety rules in your daily lives. So which of the pictures I have drawn there, and some of the more pictures has given in your book, like gas stove, this iron, electric iron, this immersion heater, matchsticks. In the previous page the same pictures are there, like that way, pair of scissors, knife, blade, needle. This will be very much dangerous for you, because this time only you are kids, only a small child, and you don't know how to use these things. What is the utility of these things? So don't touch these things where the seniors or the parents or the adults are not in front of you. Without their help or supervision, don't try to use these things. So why safety rule is needed? It is extremely important. Safety rules for kids is to help them be aware of. You should be aware of these things, which of the pictures has given in your book, and what the parents advise, what the parents are telling not to touch or not to use without their help or without their supervision. Don't touch those things or don't play with those things. Okay? In the family, school and community, children should be fully protected so they can survive, grow, learn and develop to their fullest potential. Why it is needed to follow the safety rules or be safe in the society? Because for your survive, for your grow in a proper manner, for your growth in a proper manner, to learn, develop in a fullest potential. If you follow these things, then you can avoid the accidents or the dangers, and you can be safe in the society and we develop in a proper manner, or learn in a proper manner, survive or grow in a proper way. Okay? In the book only, you have different kinds of safety rules as given. Even also, look at the book. In the front page, you have there a symbol of traffic light or a picture of a traffic light. What that is also very important to maintain the rules when you are walking or just going throughout the road. There are three lights: red light, yellow and a green. Everyone has a proper meaning. So do you know the meanings of this? So in the road, so road rules, you have to follow that. Whenever you are going on, you have to tell to others one to follow that one. Where is the zebra crossing? Only just cross the road through zebra crossing. Where is the traffic light signal is there or the traffic light is there, you should have to follow that way. If you see the red light is there on the traffic light board, then don't cross the road or don't go through the road. If it is yellow, that means you are now ready. The road is ready or you have to be ready to pass that one, and when it is green, that means you are safe to pass the road or go through the road. Okay, so everywhere, wherever the traffic rules or other rules are there or the safety rules are there, you should have to follow that one to be safe in the society or live in the society. In the chapter only, in the next portion, you have some of the cautions as given that do not play with matchsticks, stay away from things that are hot such as iron, gas stove, heater, because you get burned by those things and that may be very dangerous for you. Some of the awareness as given there, you just read those things and again and should try to follow those things in a proper manner. Next only, you have there some of the rules with the pictures that has given in a step-by-step manners, which I will discuss in the next video class. What you have to do now, you have suppose this picture in your book. Look at your book, at the front page of this chapter there is a picture of traffic light. As like I have told you, you just color this one. You may take the help from your seniors or the parents also to color this traffic light. In the meantime, before starting the next video class, it is your homework to do this coloring. Okay, color this traffic light only, and up to this we have learned today, up to these pictures, you read the things again and again, grab the knowledge what to do, follow the knowledge and be ready to take the next video class. So, bye bye for now. Thank you.